Good morning, myself Ashagila Devi, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject CS3401 algorithms. In this subject, today we are going to discuss about a topic Floyd's algorithm. So what is the outcome of learning this particular topic is on successful completion of this module, the student should be able to illustrate the Floyd's algorithm. And first we are going to discuss about what is Floyd's algorithm. So Floyd's algorithm is an algorithm for finding the shortest path for all the pair in a weighted connected graph. Normally we'll use this Floyd's algorithm in a weighted connected graph. Either it may be a directed graph or in an undirected graph. So here you are going to use a term called a distance matrix. So what is a distance matrix is? A distance matrix is a matrix that is a two-dimensional array which contain the distances taken pairwise between the vertices of the graph. So in this algorithm, we are going to create the d values, that is the length of shortest path in an n cross n matrix, that is called as your distance matrix. So you are going to compute the series of distance matrix in the Floyd's algorithm. That is, you are going to calculate d power 0, d power 1, d power 2, etc. up to d power n value you are going to calculate. That is, you are going to calculate the distance matrix from d power 0 to d power n. How we are going to compute this d power 0 to d power n is simply by using the weight matrix of the graph. So when you want to calculate d power 1, you have to concentrate on the value of d power 0. So based on the value of d power 0, you can calculate d power 1. When you calculate d power 2, you have to consider d of 1 value. So the values of d of 1 is used to calculate d of 2. And next we are going to discuss about an algorithm, that is the Floyd's algorithm, to calculate the shortest path. So the algorithm is that is, what is the input is the weighted matrix or the graph, and what is the output? You are getting a distance matrix. So for this, the input we are going to give is a weight matrix, the output which we are getting is a distance matrix. So the formula which we are going to use is d of ij is equal to minimum of d of ij, comma of d of ik plus d of kj. So this is an example graph. We are going to solve this by using Floyd's algorithm. So to solve this by using Floyd's algorithm, first you have to create a distance matrix. So first how we can develop d power 0 is, see, consider A. So you have to find out whether there is a path from A to all the remaining vertices. So there is no path from A to A. That is, there is no self loop from A to A. But what is the distance from A to A? The distance from A to A is 0, so we can take it as 0. And there is no path from A to B, so you can take the distance as infinitive. There is a path from A to C with the distance of 3, so you can take this value 3. There is no path from A to D, so you have taken it infinitive. Similarly, you have to fill the remaining values, which will give you d power 0. So after finding d power 0, you have to find out d power 1. So when you find out d power 1, remember that you have to take the values from d power 0. So that is, leave the first row and first column of d power 0 and find out the remaining values by using the formula d of ij is equal to minimum of d of ij, comma of d of kj plus d of ik plus d of kj. So by using the formula, you are going to find out the remaining values. That is, when you compute d power 1, you have to leave the first row and first column of d power 0 and you have to find out the remaining values. Similarly, if you want to find out d power 2, means you have to consider d power 1. To find out d power 1, you have to find out d power 2, you have to leave the second row and second column of d power 1 and you have to find out the remaining value. Similarly, if you want to find out d power 3, means you have to consider d power 2, that is, you have to leave the you have to leave the third row and third column and you have to find out the remaining values. If you want to construct d power 4, means you have to consider d power 3, that is, you have to leave the fourth row and fourth column as it is and you have to find out the remaining values. So how many number of d powers we are going to calculate, that is based on your n value, that is the number of vertices. So how many number of vertices you are using? You are using 4 vertex. So you are going to calculate d power 0, d power 1, d power 2, d power 3 and d power 4. So this is how we can create a distance matrix by using Floyd's algorithm. Thank you.